So Parity is a core blockchain infrastructure company. Really what we do is we build a technology that underpins blockchain networks.
Hi, I'm Ross Gates from Alphagrowth. Today we're at Starfish Mission for SF Blockchain Week 2018, and I'm here with Fabian from Parity Technologies. Fabian, how's it going?
Pretty good, how are you?
I am fantastic. I'm so excited to be here. There's so many people running around this week. So Fabian, tell me, what is Parity Technologies?
So Parity is a core blockchain infrastructure company. Really what we do is we build a technology that underpins blockchain networks, and maybe even in a broader sense, we're mostly concerned with decentralized technologies.
Gotcha. So when you say base layer or underpinning, is that like Ethereum? Things are built on top of you? And if things are built on top of Parity, what special features do you give them that they can work with?
Yeah, so if I say kind of like, if we talk about core infrastructure technology, we're usually in the context of blockchains, we're usually referring to the node software itself, right? Like the software that actually comprises blockchains.
Okay.
It's not just that. So like if we talk about Ethereum, for example, right, you would have like the Ethereum protocol and Ethereum specification, and you write software that is compatible with that protocol, and with that you can connect to this like public Ethereum network. But really what we do, we build a lot of kind of like tooling and a lot of configuration possibilities into that stack to it's a whole development stack for people to build on top of.
To build nodes on top of.
To build applications, decentralized applications, or other protocol extensions on top of it. If you want to build something like CryptoKitties on Ethereum, you have to run like an Ethereum node somewhere. So this could be, for example, a Parity node.
Gotcha. And where's your adoption with those Parity nodes? Are they up and running everywhere?
Yeah, so a large chunk of the public Ethereum network runs on Parity. Actually, we have majority market share amongst the miners. Generally, it's used a lot in the kind of like in the infrastructure layer in the network. So a lot of the people who run a lot of nodes, kind of like block explorers or miners, these kind of entities that really rely on like a lot of performance for their node software. They often run Parity. Then you have something like Ethereum Classic, which I think runs to like 60% or so on our node software. And a bunch of like Ethereum-based networks, even like enterprise networks run on our Ethereum software.
Okay, so if all of these nodes are running on it and it's a base level, do you have to get consensus from all these people to make a change to it, or can you just change it and instantly you've affected the entire network?
Yeah, right. So it depends a little bit what you want to change, right? Generally we have our repository and we can change whatever we want to change, but it might be that those are breaking changes, right? So that we're not compatible with the Ethereum network anymore, and then we would force like a split, right? So that's something we're not interested in. Also, nobody has to install the stuff or like actually update to the stuff that we're implementing there, right? It's all open source, free and open source software, so everyone can basically back check, is this actually what I want to have? And everyone can fork it, right? Everyone can use our code and say, actually, I don't want these changes, or actually I want these changes that those guys are not implementing, and I do another better version of it.
As long as it gets accepted by the rest of the network.
Exactly, in the end it's just like, do you actually have adoption? Also, can you maintain it, right? So yeah, in theory you can always fork the code and like, so far it hasn't really happened, because it's you actually need a lot of expertise and a lot of manpower to like maintain node software.
Gotcha. So you're at Parity, the ones doing all the upgrades from now on, because you have the expertise and you know kind of what's going on.
Yeah, and if people if you don't have to think about this stuff, you don't want to think about this stuff, right? So like if you're just like your average dApp developer, you want to
focus on your dApp.
Exactly, you want to
on
have
the
certain
front end,
capabilities, but really you don't want to think about all these crazy distributed systems stuff and cryptography stuff that goes into like actually building the base there.
Right. So what's your next big milestone at Parity that you're working towards?
Yeah, so far we've mostly talked about the Ethereum stuff, so Parity Ethereum stack. And there, the kind of like the biggest milestone generally in Ethereum is kind of like Ethereum 2.0. So the switch to proof of stake and sharding. Another big project we've taken on is the Polkadot project, which is a project that's all around blockchain interoperability. How can blockchain networks actually talk to each other? And with that also something we call Parity substrate, which is kind of another layer of abstraction in blockchain development, where it's a development framework to build blockchain technologies from the ground up. With Substrate, we're about to do like a 1.0 beta release. We're like throwing it out there. With Polkadot, we have a live testnet, and we're like about to publish a new POC, and we want to go live with it Q3 2019. It's like the Polkadot network goes live. And then Ethereum 2.0 is a bit further out. It's maybe 2 years from now or so.
Yep. So you said you can build blockchains from the ground up. Let's say that I wanted to do that. How do I get involved with Parity Labs and start building on that?
Yeah, so again, everything is open source.
Where can I find it?
So it's on our GitHub, so it's just github/ParityTech.
Okay.
So there you find the Polkadot repo, find the Parity Ethereum repo, Substrate repo. Substrate is still lacking a little bit of, that's still very much in the oven, so a lot of moving parts, maybe the documentation isn't quite there yet where it should be, compared to something like Parity Ethereum, where we really have support and really good documentation, and you really don't have to be like a blockchain wizard to get started. Right. With Substrate, it's a little bit different. It's bleeding edge stuff, but I think in the next 3 months or so, we'll be at the point there where really, there are tons of tutorials, documentation, and you can build your own blockchain from scratch, even if you're not, even if you don't work at Parity and you're a blockchain developer.
Right. Anyone can get involved. It's just passion about the space.
Exactly.
Awesome.
That's the goal.
That's the goal.
Yeah.
This has been great. Thank you so much.
Thanks.